Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my channel, 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install RageCoOp for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. In my last video, I showed you how you can install it on a clean version of Grand Theft Auto, so you could go co-op online with your friends with plugins like 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. What we haven't tried is, does it work with LSPDFR? That's what we're going to test out today. I'm going to guide you from step by step, so you can start LSPDFR RageCoOp today. So before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. I'll leave a link in the description for our Discord channel, Discord server. You're going to need it for the files. For anyone that hasn't watched my last video, don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step like I haven't installed RageCoOp before, so don't worry about that. Let's hop over to my Discord. Okay, we're currently at my Discord. As you can see, we do also have some giveaways, and we have a support page. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. Let's go to the GTA resources section and then the co-op. Just to be clear, you can't see all this without you getting verified first. Very important, you need to get verified. We're going to download these files. The RageCoOp client is already here. You can download it directly from here and the rest from these links. Let's go ahead and visit these links. So we're going to visit these links, and this one you can download right away. Continue to download, it will start downloading. Again, I already have a game with LSPDFR installed, and I already have script_v. I probably already have script_v.net. I don't think I have 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸, which again is not necessary, but it is pretty awesome to have that with co-op. I think that's also the whole idea. So yeah, I'm just gonna re-download them and reinstall them. If I have them, that's totally fine. I'm just update. Maybe I have them, but they're not up to date. And we have an update version. This one, we go here. And we'll go here. Let me go ahead and change that link, by the way. Is it? Yeah, it's this one. And to this. Yes, that's better. Okay, let's open up our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder and our downloaded files. Okay, on my left side, I have the downloaded files. On my right side, I have Grand Theft Auto main directory folders. As you can see, I have multiple here because I highly recommend you making a backup. Always keep a clean version like here and make a backup of a backup. So this is my LSPDFR version. If I want to back it up, I'll just do copy and paste, and then you have a second folder. Whenever I want to play with the clean version, I'll change this to, for instance, RageCoOp, and this one I will change to Grand Theft Auto itself. So let's go ahead and unpack this right here, extract it. Let's start with the script_v. Let's go to the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Here we'll go to the bin folder and we'll select these two files and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. As you can see, I already have them. That's totally fine. Just replace them. Probably updated now or not, I don't know. Script_v.net is the next step. Hit extract all, and which one was it? This one right here. Select the files that I select, except these. Drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Okay, these ones I didn't have. Let's go back. Let's now go to 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸, hit extract all, and then we have this folder. We'll go into 𝐑𝐞𝐸_sp, and we'll select this folder and this file right here. Just do exactly what I'm selecting. Ah, damn it, that subscribe button is in front of it. Sorry about that. I hope you guys didn't miss anything before that. I'm just gonna double check. So these two, drag and drop it in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Let's see, script_v.net, all the files except these two. Yeah, that's clear. And script_v Just these two files right here. Yeah, okay, that's it. Now let's go to, we've done Minio. Before we do the RageCoOp client, we'll go into this Minio folder, Minio stuff. We're gonna double click, open up this Minio config file. We're gonna hit Control V. We're gonna search settings, and then we're gonna go down. So we need to change this key right here because this is an issue. The spooner hot mode key. I'm gonna try and delete it, see what happens. We don't need that key. F8 is for Minio. F9 is to look freely. We don't actually need that. Or you can change it to 121 and then it'll become F10. I'm just gonna delete it. Let's see if I can save it. Yeah, I can save it. In my last video I couldn't save it, I had to drag it. Just for your information, let's go ahead and scan with Microsoft Defender before I unzip it. Nothing wrong with it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Extract it. So I just did see an update here. I hope LSPDFR is still working. 2848, 2845. Yeah, it's still good. Okay. Where is... Here we're going to double click on it, double click right here, and here you'll have a file called RageCoOp client installer exe. Double click on it, you'll get this notification here, of course on your own risk. Hit more info, hit run anyway, choose your GTA5.exe file. That's the one I have clicked right here. That one you need to select, hit open. You can't join zero tier server unless zero tier is installed. Do you want to download and install it? We will hit yes. Okay, I'm excited, man. I'm really wondering, curious if it's working with LSPDFR. Okay, hit yes. Right, successfully installed. So if I'm correct now, it's already installed. Let's just check. Yeah, it is installed. Installation is successful. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's open up Grand Theft Auto LSPDFR. 1 second, let me pick up 1 second. Okay, let's open up Rage plugin hook and see if LSPDFR is working. Yeah, we're gonna unblock these script.v.net files. Okay, let's hope it's working. Something is happening. So it's loading up. Yeah, buddy. Let's see if this works. LSPDFR with RageCoOp. And some additional trainers. We've got simple trainer, Minio trainer we just installed. Yeah, I'm curious if this works. If it does, give me a thumbs up. So we're going on duty. As you can see, all the plugins are loading in. And this is our LAPD vehicles. As you can see, let's go with this one. Yeah, we've got LAPD vehicles installed right here, folks. That's the Dodge right there. Okay, so as you can see, so LSPDFR is working. Ultimate backup. So that's working. Let's go ahead and see if we can go co-op, Rage co-op. By the way, Minio, what we just installed, is F8, F8 again, and here you have all the options you can do. Weather options, teleport options, vehicle options, literally everything. And what we're here today to check out is the Rage co-op. That's gonna be F9. Boom! It is working. Okay, let's not keep our hopes up. Oh, what happened? I am invisible. That's the F8. What did I hit? Oh, of course, that's the F9. Did I not change that? Apparently I didn't change it. Good. Hit enter for servers. There's no one online. You can play here. Official free mode. Or with your friend here. Let's go to the official one. Trying to connect. Connected. Look how fast. Okay, question is, can I now ask backup?
Backup needed in Textile City.
Okay, so it's working. The next step for you guys is to install this with a friend and see if you can also do the callouts together. That would be awesome. So that's working. That is working. And that's LAPD. So that would also be awesome, that if I would see actually
We have
hey.
citizens reporting an attempted
Oh shit.
in Pillbox Hill.
What would I press? I pressed something. Teleported to destination. Unbelievable. I had a hotkey for that. Fixed. Just teleported somewhere else. Yeah, so it is working, folks. Let me know what you think about. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it's working for you. Let me know if you need any assistance. I'm curious if it's working LSPDFR with someone else also. This is working, as you can see. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know in the feedback. And thank you all for watching, and goodbye.